Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can use notifications to boost your productivity in UPBASE. First off, let's start by customizing your notifications. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings. From here, choose Notifications. This allows you to control what triggers a notification, helping you to avoid unnecessary distractions. Now that we've done that, it's time to prioritize. You can assign different levels of importance to your tasks, so your notifications reflect what's truly urgent. This helps us because it ensures you'll focus on high-priority tasks first. Next up, we're going to set quiet hours. This feature mutes notifications during specified times, allowing for uninterrupted work. The reason we do this is to create dedicated focus periods where you won't be disturbed by incoming notifications. Lastly, let's activate the Daily Digest. This compiles all your notifications into one email sent at your preferred time. This is a great way to have a quick overview of your tasks without constantly checking your notifications. Let me explain why this matters. It allows you to plan your day efficiently and reduces the time spent on checking multiple notifications. So there you have it. By effectively managing and customizing your notifications, you can significantly increase your productivity in UPBASE. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you become even more efficient in your future tasks.